I wake up this morning and I see some court docs that has been revealed in this whole Akademiks SA lawsuit that we first got knowledge of by Akademiks himself a few months ago. And even at that point in time, and before he maintained his innocence, saying that the police told me that there is no foul play, you're good. He handed over security footage at the time, and they found no wrongdoing on the tape. And these court docs, I will say, is graphic in detail. Some of the details I'll just probably show on the screen. I probably won't go over them because of the graphic nature of them. There's some images that is involved, one of which looks like a screenshot from a security camera. So more on that at 6 in a sense. And then there's pictures of her injuries, which I'm probably not going to show either pic because of course I ain't trying to get this video flagged. But as soon as this happened, he went on his live stream to talk about this.
The only people who have seen that, you know what's crazy about this? The only people who have seen that is me and the police. The young woman who's talking about it has never seen it. These claims she's making, what is she talking about? Which is it? Did you not remember, or do you now remember? But now you remember whatever. But there's other pictures. Again, of course, I'm not going to be stupid and put it up here. I sent other pictures to her. Other pictures where she's on all fours. Other pictures where she's moving around. Those are not going to get included by the lawyer. It doesn't help the case. Let's look through all the pictures that got sent. Well, this picture don't really look like... Okay, I'm going to use this picture because it looks like it could go to our story. It's all good. It's fine. The facts of that case is... And Taxstone, let me put you on some game because you've been in jail looking like you've been doing a lot of telegramming, but not a lot of facts, okay? The facts of that case is that not only did I cooperate with the police looked at my phone, messages before and after with the woman, messages before and after with the other people who might have been at the residence. They looked at any injuries or whatever she might have had. They're looking at everything, okay? I'm assisting with this. Not only did they realize, oh, we don't have any case here. This is not a situation where there's a crime committed.
Now, he did go on to say during the stream that this is a process that's going to take years and years. And I'm no lawyer, and even though I have watched my fair share of Law and Order, but somebody fill me in. Do civil suits typically take years to resolve? Let me know. All I know is this is one of them cases that it's starting to have a pattern where something will happen to Ack. He'll have some accusations against him. Things will blow over. People start loving Akademiks. Then this will rear its ugly head again. Rinse and repeat. So after this, something's going to happen where people love Akademiks. They say, oh yeah, big Ack, woo. And then this going to come back into the picture. And we're going to be in the same spot we're at now with Akademiks. Now, as far as everything he's saying goes, I'm not going to sit here and say that, oh, he's right, that this woman's lying on him. I want to be as neutral as possible because this is one of the things that I hope Ack isn't lying for anybody or lying on himself. Even though he says that the police cleared him of any wrongdoing, people could look at it like, oh, well, he got enough money, he could pay the cops off. But again, it goes back to what I'm saying. There has to be something else to come out to really put a nail in the coffin, so to speak, and to really put Akademiks and everybody else that was involved on full blast. Whether that be a surveillance footage that comes out publicly, because we've seen a screenshot what looked like to be a from a security camera in the lawsuit. If that whole video was to come out, and not even the whole video, but if part of that video, like let's say 40 seconds of that was to come out and it depicts a woman who is screaming, saying no, or looks like she's struggling or trying to fight dudes off, then that would make him cooked. And the alternative would be, let's say two of the men involved would have to step forward and completely throw Akademiks under the bus and say, yeah, it was all his idea or some shit like that. Or they come step forward and say, yeah, we did that and Ack has knowledge of us doing that. If any one of these two things happen, then Akademiks is cooked and fried. But this is the only way that he can go under. If none of what I'm saying happens or comes to fruition at all, then this is going to be something that remains in limbo for a long time. But y'all let me know what you think about this story in the comments below. Till next time, I'll catch y'all in the next video.